Hey, this is Wade from On the Off Ramp. Lorraine and I have not created much for video content for our channel over the last few weeks. However, we are busy planning our trip into the US for January, February, March, and April. Stay tuned for a future episode where we'll be discussing the apps that we're using and the route that we're taking and what we all plan on doing. In the meanwhile, our kids gave me a drone for my birthday, and this is something we want to use for our future videos as well too. Enjoy this practice little sweep that I did over the snow-covered Monastery in St. Norbert, Winnipeg. We are Wade and Lorraine, and we are on the off-ramp.